Hi everyone! Sorry I haven't filmed a video in such a long time. I've just been so busy. All that's new is I've actually got a baby seagull at the moment because I went to Scarborough for the day and saw a seagull dragging himself along the beach. He wasn't even using his left leg at all. I was convinced it was broken. And it was all of his left side of his body was completely exposed, fleshy, bloody, really, really bad. I just thought he was going to die, to be honest. But I thought I'd give him a chance. I didn't want to take him to the vet because I knew that they'd probably just put him to sleep straight away, so I wanted to give him a chance. I cleaned out his wound with some salt water and put loads of Manuka honey on it and bandaged it up. So a few days later we was actually going on a camping trip to Wales, so I had to take him with me. And at this point he couldn't stand, he wasn't doing anything. I had to force feed him, and then I managed to finally get some fluids into him. He's got stronger, I kept changing his dressing, and then eventually he was using his legs, so I was so happy. You could see the progress straight away. And then he could stand up, but he was really off balance. Unfortunately I didn't take any photos or videos of the first stages of him recovering because I wasn't sure, I was convinced, to be honest, that he wasn't going to make it, so I didn't want to take any photos then. But since then, on our camping trip he started pottering around the tent and he turned into a cheeky little monkey trying to escape all the time. And now we're home, I've built him a little run in the garden, and he's got his own little pool, and we're just basically getting his strength up now. He's walking around, he's doing bits of flying, so I'll put a clip in of him doing his bits of flying because I keep letting him out in the garden. So yeah, very happy with that. Eventually I'll take him back to Scarborough and release him. But for now I'm going to have a really, really late breakfast. If you didn't already know this, I'm actually vegan. So I'm trying to, when I went to uni, I was vegetarian for a while. It's quite hard getting back into the swing of being vegan again and trying to get the right balance in my diet. And at uni everybody eats crap, so I just didn't feel very good about myself, and I'm trying to improve that and get better nutrition in my diet. So today I'm probably going to have avocado toast. How perfect is this avocado? Look how excited I am. It's just perfect. So that's going to be nice. We're actually growing some avocado. Yeah. These are some of the later ones, obviously. And then that's one that's actually been planted. To grow your own avocados, you basically just you basically just put the toothpicks like in the avocado pip like that, and then you just put it in water so that half of the pip is into the water, and then you just wait, and then eventually it sprouts. It's so cool. And then when it's ready and it's got the plants growing like that, you basically just plant it. It's so cool. It's too noisy. Sheba, back off. I'm watching you. I'm watching you, Sheba. I've mentioned in my About Me section on this channel that I recently quit my job, and I'm basically not going to go into the details, but I worked in a boarding kennels and I didn't agree with a lot of the things that they did at the kennels. I didn't agree with the way that they treated the animals. A lot of the time I was going to work and really picking up the slack from everyone else not kind of pulling the weight. So I felt like I was putting in a lot of effort, and I'm 100% fine doing that if I feel appreciated, which I didn't at all. So because I didn't feel appreciated, and I felt like I was the only one that was really pulling my weight and really trying hard for the animals, it kind of just didn't go well. It was very uncomfortable to work there. Nobody notices the employees that actually do try, and they just tar everyone with the same brush. So I quit the job basically, and I've come to a realisation that I'm not going to work for anyone else that's going to treat me like that. I know that there's so many people out there like me that are just going to work and trying the hardest, and they're just not getting anything back. I wish it wasn't like that, but that's just how it is. So I'm trying to find a different route so that maybe I could be self-employed. I'm hoping to either do something like driving instructing, or I could do something like sketching again. I used to do sketches for people with pets, so I'd draw the pets and horses and things like that. I'll put some photos in as well. So that's a little update on my life. I hope I haven't rambled on too much. And just always remember, if people are bringing you down, people are making you feel like crap about yourself, anybody that's making you feel like not appreciated, wipe them out of your life. Don't try hard for people that don't appreciate you. If it's in the workplace, try and find another job, get it lined up and quit. Just don't put up with it, because there's more to life than that. Just about to have my second meal of the day, and I know it's not ideal, but I'm having toast again. So I'm going to put peanut butter and banana on it this time. This peanut butter is the best peanut butter ever. It's from, I think, Holland and Barrett, and it's just 100% peanuts. So no palm oil, nothing. Yeah. Roasted peanuts, 100%, no oil, no salt, no sugar. So it's really nice. And I just spread that on the toast and put the pieces of banana on it, and that's it. I definitely need to buy some more peanut butter. We're about to have a movie day, and for a snack I'm having hummus and carrot sticks and popcorn. Just finished watching the movie and it was really, really good. I'm just gonna do Amiri's makeup and I think hair now, because I've got nothing else to do. So I'll show you before and after. Okay everyone, this is after I've done her makeup. What do you think? Only joking, this is before. She still looks nice. I've done her makeup, what do you think everyone? Just about to have tea, and my mum made it, so I'm not 100% sure what she made. But it looks like we've got rice, and then we've got peas, meat-free mince, and cauliflower, some sort of mix there. We've got some leeks, and some broad beans. And then they've got like a mushroomy one, because I don't like mushrooms. Yum. Right, I'm going to end my vlog here. I've just got to bring Rupert. Did I tell you that the seagull's called Rupert? Rupert needs bringing in for tonight. I'll show you the little pen that I made for him. He's got the shelter there. He's got his own pool. And then when I let him out, I've made a little door across there. And then this roof bit comes off as well. Not bad, is it? Rupert, what are you doing? So if you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. And remember,